In order to enter your sources into NoodleTools, you must first create a project. I have a project here ready to go called Theodore Roosevelt that I'll be using today to create a works cited entry for a web page. When I click on the project, I'm brought to my project dashboard. And at this point I want to choose Sources. And then on this next page I want to choose Create New Citation. Today I'll be citing a web page coming from a website. You can see it appearing over here on the right. So at this point I'll choose Website, and yes, it's a web page. I will choose that. NoodleTools will then load a form that I need to fill out based on information from my web page. First, looking for URL, so I will grab the page URL with Control-C, and I'll paste it with Control-V. I'll move to the next part of the form, date of publication. My web page doesn't seem to have a date of publication, so I will leave that blank. But today is the most recent date that I'm accessing it, so I will click on that. My page does have an author, so under Contributors I will choose Author, and I will type Sydney Milkus, and move on to the next part of the form, the web page or document or article title. Well, that appears right here, but I know NoodleTools will not like that formatting, all capitalized. So I will take the time to type that in myself. So I just typed in the web page title, but NoodleTools doesn't like the way I've done that. It's giving me an exclamation mark. If I hover over that, it's saying that the word before, the way I've capitalized the word before, is a problem. So NoodleTools seems happy with that change. I now move on to the name of the website. That is the UVA Miller Center. That appears at the top of the page. And the publisher of the site is normally found towards the very bottom. And in this case, you see that copyright of this site belongs to the University of Virginia, so I will copy that, paste it into the publisher, and NoodleTools is giving me another message. It wants me to abbreviate the University of Virginia simply with U of Virginia, and I will click Save, and you'll see that my citation is properly formatted and in my list of sources.